Yes, queen, it's giving 360 all around slay. What's good, family? Welcome back with another video. Today we are with another Amazon wig. This is from Nicy hair, 360 transparent lace, loose wave, pre-plucked glueless frontal wig. Came with baby hairs, 18 inches long and 30 highlight loose wave, baby. It came with nothing inside the box. Nicy hair, baby, y'all got to do better. Your girls be needing some gems, baby. We need goodies inside these boxes, like a little comb, little clamps. You feel what I'm saying? Stocking caps, anything for your girls. You know what I'm saying? Gems. Y'all, the lace was giving a little bit thick, if you feel what I'm saying. It wasn't giving clear like it was for to melt into the lace, but your girl was like, we can feel it out and do what it do. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all, we finna go in with this install. As you know, we finna stick up these edges because, baby, we need everything to be sealed. We ain't trying to be walking around here like a little chicken head goose. You feel what I'm saying? So make sure them edges are slicked up, you guys, and doing what they're supposed to do once you get ready to put that stocking cap on. Because like I said, y'all, this is a 360. Somewhere ain't never did before. So as you seen at the beginning of the video, the wig came with 4 combs in the inside, and it came with a strap in the back. I had went online, you guys, because like I said, this is my very first time doing a 360 wig install. So I had to go look up under my boy, Slay by Jordan. Yes, ma'am. When I say he is my guy, when it comes to these wigs, baby, he is my guide. He is my guide. Like, that is my guy. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all, so we had to literally cut out everything inside of that wig with our eyebrow razor. Try not to cut the lace, but we literally gently went inside of the lace and we cut everything out that was in there. And it's cuttable, so make sure you just don't cut the lace, and look what you're doing. But other than that, y'all, we had cut everything out just to get everything nice, so when we put the wig on, it's looking flat and nice. You feel what I'm saying? All around, because like I said, it's a 360. So as you see what I'm doing, y'all, we are taking this glue and we used the bowl, not the bowl hole, y'all, not the bowl hole yet. We have used the Got to Be Glue gel in the black case, and we're going around our perimeter of our edge line and making sure that we are getting it down, so when we get ready to blow dry and get this cap down, it don't move. We want it to stick. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and listen to the music. Enjoy. This will be my method for now on, y'all. The black case of the Got to Be Glue gel, and also the freeze spray of the Got to Be Glue gel. When I say those two right there are a combo that is unmatched, it's like unreal. Like when I got ready to cut that stocking cap off, it just glided.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look, can the crowd even know where to be found as they sing along? I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the race.
Some people make this stuff look easy, baby, but I was sitting up here constipated, whatever you want to say, baby, on how to get this back cut. So your girl had to call her one and only famous, sexy chocolate man to come help her hold the mirror. If you ain't got a man like mine, baby, I don't know what to tell you. How you gonna get this wig on? Better get you a best friend or somebody. Look at his sexy self. Hey, sexy. I love you. Boom, just like that, within a matter of 15 seconds, your girl is a phenomenal bald woman. Yeah.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song.
As you can see, which is obvious, we are going around our perimeter and making sure we are cutting off the all flyaways that we have. And then we're going in with our Ruby 15 Kisses from Amazon, you guys. And we're going around the perimeter with, well, any really your kind of makeup, go around your perimeter of your forehead to make sure that you blend it in and making sure that it's looking like your hair. You feel what I'm saying? We're going all the way around. This is the 360 wig, all the way around. Put the makeup all the way around. Don't be scared. All the way around. All the way around.
Right now, singing your favorite song. Get a crowd
right here, you guys, we are starting with the frontal of the wig, and we are doing 4 layers at the front, and we will do 4 layers in the back. Yes, ma'am. 4 in the front, 4 in the back, because your girl's not trying to keep it on that long. You feel what I'm saying? It's going to come on and come off. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. We just wanted to see if we can do this. Nicy, 360. We're going good so far. You feel what I'm saying? We had to cut the earpieces out already, you guys. That's what we did, and now we're just going around the perimeter of our forehead at the front. Then we're going to go in with our blow dryer, and then we're going to do the back with the same. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. Repeat it in the back. Whatever you do on the front, do it in the back, and then we're going to lay that sucker down. Try.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. Cause there's a possibility.
This is what 4 layers of glue is looking like in the front and in the back. Now we're about to go ahead and lay it down and get it measured to our head for our liking, y'all. This process is coming to an end because your girl is nervous for the back, y'all. It did a number on me. Like, for real. Just keep on watching, y'all, and see what it did to your girl. Keep in mind, we can't see in the back of our head or on the side of our head, but your girl did what she could, and she did the best. You feel what I'm saying? This hair did what it could, and it did its best. Nicy. Okay, Nicy hair. I see you with this loose wave. Yeah. And it gave loose wave for real, y'all. Like that pattern and that curl, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. As you see, your girls were struggling. We don't know if it was literally the lace or just me personally didn't have enough glue down or I didn't measure it right. I don't know what it was, y'all, but that back would not lay down for nothing. For nothing. For nothing. So y'all, we going in with the hot comb to make sure that everything is laid down and it's tacked right in place, because like you said, your girl was sweating and she was very, very nervous. I'm talking in third person like it ain't me. I was very, very nervous, y'all, and I was very hot. So the wig, that's probably why it was not laying down and doing what it was supposed to do, because this was my first time trying this 360. Anything with that comes new, your girl is nervous and I sweat and I get excited. Like, I don't know why. Is anybody else like that? I get very excited and I shit. Like, for real. No lie. Sorry, Grandma, but I did. So this time, y'all, we did not spray that got to be glue spray around our edge line. So as you see, that cut is just gliding through when it comes to the eyebrow razor. And y'all, we had to get my man in the back of the back because, you know, we couldn't see in the back of our head. And he was just cutting that lace like he just knew what he was doing, baby. Baby, when I say I had to give him some because he laid that wig down, he laid it down. Get you a man like mine, because baby, he didn't disappoint. Look at him. Yeah, he did that. Who? My man, not yours. Get you one. So once we got that laid down intact, because when I tell you that back was giving me problems, she did not want to lay down, y'all. Now we're going in with the Gross sisters, and I guess they was mad because they became cousins, but I don't know. They did not want to lay down, and like I said, maybe next time I'm going to flat iron my baby hairs going up instead of down, because I feel like it'll give me a more oomph, if you know what I mean, because they was not oomphing right now. But your girl tweaked it as much as she could. Keep on watching the video, y'all. Enjoy this music and watch me twerk these little Gross sisters as much as possible, because we had to twerk them.
Sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. For club, do anything for club. 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 Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. Till I name on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run the whole blog if it's straight. They using my name for clickbait. People wanna start fake beef. Still a little weave in the mixtape.
So once we got the baby hairs in laying down and we put the band on for an hour, yes, I said an hour, the back came up again, y'all. I must not was putting the wrap around the back right, I don't know. But the back came up again, and guess who came to my rescue? My chocolate man. You best believe it. That's daddy boy. Baby, he gonna make sure it's right. When I tell you that man gonna do what it do, y'all, this is a good ass man. I ain't saying get you one like mine, But I'm saying get you one, and I ain't talking about mine. I'm talking about get you another one, because that's mine. He's mine, okay? He's mine. But yeah, y'all see that? Yeah, baby did his thing. Now, at this point in time, y'all, we are just playing with the hair because I really fell in love with this hair. That loose wave was so pretty. And it's not even wet, y'all, and this is the way that it's given. Y'all, I had so many ways that I wanted to style this. Like, it was unbelievable. I haven't done this hairstyle in, like, forever, and just the fact that I'm getting a chance to do it and doing a 360, it was all in one. Like, bomb deal. We are taking our spray bottle and we are spraying and dampening the hair to our liking and getting it into a spot where we know we can put this thing up into a ponytail and play with it a little bit. I put a little hot comb to it. Of course, I put the Nairobi foam on it. And then we're going to watch the results and see how it came out. Because, you know, it was just a really good wig overall. I can't really too much explain. Like, it was really good. No shedding, light to no smell. Of course, I washed it, and it came out with brown, of course, like the dye of the hair or something. But other than that, y'all, the wig was to die for. Like I say, 18 inches, and she was giving a baddie. She slayed, for real. Nicy hair, you did that, boo. I'm really loving it. At this point in time, your girl feel like she slayed and killed this install, y'all. Like, I swear, even though I had to keep patting down that back, it's okay. But y'all, look at that back. Yeah, she did that, and he did that, yeah. Y'all, I love this 360 wig, and it's a must that I do another one.
Stop it. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. All time looking for the process. Had to bounce it. Come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the breeze.
As you can see, for some reason, that back would not stay down, y'all. Like, I was not kidding. It literally gave me trouble, especially when I put it up in a ponytail and sectioned it off to put the foam on there. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the wetness that was getting back there that was making it lift and stuff. I don't know what it was, but she was not giving what she was supposed to when I kept trying to pull her up. So, y'all, we just had to keep playing with her.
Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Like sleep, baby. On the G-way.
At this time, I'm invested. Ain't no giving up. I would not let this wig beat me. I would not, anime.
Everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, come on me. Keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so fully believe me. Come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so fully believe me.
As y'all can see, the irritation on my face was real. Like, seriously, why won't this wig lay down? I'm at the point of getting tired of talking about it, and I was at the point of tired of laying it down, if you feel what I mean. But like I say, baby, that man gonna come to my rescue every time. When he see that I'm irritated, he gonna fix that problem. You best believe. That's my man. My man, my man, my man. Ah! And that ponytail gave what it was supposed to give when we lifted it up and got it to the point where we were supposed to get it to after 30 tries. Now we're going in with this hot comb. We're trying to get that little oomph at the top, if you know what I mean, and lay everything down and get to, you know, to our liking, y'all. And this wig, like I say, y'all, this wig was a baddie. She gave. I loved it. I really did. If y'all have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now. If you have not hit that like button, baby, what are you waiting for? I know you liked the video the moment it came on. Go ahead and hit that comment section and tell me what you did and what you didn't like about the video, because baby, we always take critiqueness over here. You feel me? If you do like this video, go ahead and hit the other videos that we have on this channel. It will be linked in the description box below as usual. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I love you guys, and continue watching the video and then zoom out. Yeah, just like that. So overall, y'all, this wig is a 10 out of 10, 18-inch, 30 highlight of the color. And baby, she was bad and she gave, like I said before. Y'all, if you are a new content creator, a small content creator, do not let no brand feel like you don't let no brand underestimate you. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know how to describe it more, but Nicy sent me this wig and they felt like they was finna get one on me, but I got one on them. But I appreciate them sending me this wig. We would never do business again. You guys don't forget, hit that subscribe button and see you in the next video.